How to get folders on TikTok. So if you want to get folders on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application and make sure that you have a business account or a professional account. So what you need to do is just go with the profile option, which is on the bottom right. Once you go with profile, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Tap on settings and privacy, and after that scroll down, go with the first option, which is account, and tap on switch to business account and tap on next, continue, and then choose a category and then go with next. You can add your email address or you can skip that part. Now you're all set. You can simply go with the cross, which is on the left side, upper left side. Now you can reload your page. Now once you've done that, here on the middle of your screen you will have 4 to 5 options, right? So if you have a lot of followers, like 1,000 or more followers, and if you have a lot of friends, or if you post a lot of videos on your TikTok, then you will have an option of folders. You just need to simply go with the folders section, which will be on the middle of your screen, where you have that 4 to 5 options, these icons, which you can see right here. You will have your folders section right here. So in my case, I'm not eligible for the folders, but if you have a lot of followers and if you post a lot of videos and if you have a business account, then you will get the folders section. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.